Where do you come down from?
So my brother, good afternoon. And this is more light.
Okay.
I'm a man of God. A full-blown man of God.
Oh.
Okay. I don't know you, but I was just walking down here. Then I saw you. The Lord said that you come and minister to you.
You are a
Are you hearing me?
criminal.
Yeah. I've given the power to enrich people. Because you know what, come on. More about light. Yes. Light. I've come to enlighten people about heaven. I'm one of the weirdest person in heaven. If you go to this book of this guy, chapter 10, say that in my father's house there are many mansions. As you're looking at me, I have already owned about 3 or 4 mansions in heaven. You will not believe me. Who are going to go many mansions in the nigga? Then I want to ask you something. Brother, you want to be rich?
You're welcome. Jeba, I'm a little nearby. What can I tell you one place? Jeba, you don't know.
Mercy upon us.
Jerry, no.
I'm not push campaign.
You say?
No, can I not get chicken?
Forget to.
Give me chicken now.
Okay, ma will ask to send you now.
No.
You are a criminal.
Diana, I don't give you chicken. Ask me apa. Ya, na duko you are gonna win your chili. Nya ko dia. Oh. Sonny.
Aha.
That's a good guy, yo.
Shut up.
Fine girl. If I go down. Ego, what kind of ego?
6,000 naira.
Yeah?
6,000 quality.
But no one plate.
Only the one plate. None more. Me I take away 2 plates.
Who want it?
Not your guy.
Upon my God, Mama, yeah. Who want that? I'm not go. Hey! What is one? Papa no video.
Get your VM.
Aha.
Chai.
Nne gị kpọrọ gị Kristi ma onwe m na-akpọ gị Mgbeke.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sabiko, any the mundomi?
One?
6.
Oh, there. Yeah, what are you going about there? Oh, I have my battle the kitchen. Look where for. Bien moi. E ko su. O to bo ga ba yin no.
God have mercy upon us.
Anu ya. Ere mo munu. O to.